fully renovated, 3-story family home with all the bells and whistles. I'm Tracey Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 465 Pape Avenue. Let's go inside and take a look. This functional main floor is comprised of the living room, dining room, and kitchen. It has a full sound system, hardwood floors, pot lights, and main floor laundry. In the living room, we've got a stunning gas fireplace and custom mantle. In the kitchen, we have all of your full-size stainless steel appliances, a sit-up breakfast bar, and it walks out to a low-maintenance backyard. Their rec room is in the basement, where they also have a full 3-piece bathroom. We have pot lights, new broadloom, and above-grade windows. The hardwood floors and pot lights continue up to the second floor, where we have 2 good-sized bedrooms, a full 3-piece bathroom, and a second-floor family room. The third floor is a decadent primary retreat. Again, we have the pot lights, the hardwood floors. We also have floor-to-ceiling windows and a beautiful 4-piece bathroom. There is plenty of space up here for a dressing room, and they've also got a small gym. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 465 Pape Avenue. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a private showing, please reach out to us.